Hey, welcome. I want to talk to you about self-care. And if you have ever found yourself saying, really, self-care, who has the time? Then I especially want to talk to you. I want you to stop everything you're doing and give me your attention for just 10 minutes. If you feel like you have your self-care in check because you're having quiet time and you're relaxing and you're not stressed, you're not overwhelmed, you're not over serving, then don't listen to me. But if you are somebody who is taking care of really everybody in the house, and I mean, you're doing all the laundry, you're doing the grocery shopping, you're doing the meal prep, you're caring for your spouse and your kids, and even your to-do list. But literally at the bottom of that rung is yourself. And you might be thinking, Misty, come on, like I don't have time to invest in myself. I want to cause you to think about things a little bit differently. And I'm super passionate about self-care along with my husband, Jim Loretto. And so this is why I want to bring you to this point. Think about it this way. You are truly the hub that holds your home together. Thinking about all that you do and all that you care for and all that you provide and all that you are to your family and to your clients and to your friends. If something happens to you, if you break down, all of that is going to crumble. So it's not only important that you practice self-care, it is absolutely imperative because it's not just about you. It will affect your relationship with your kids and your spouse and your business when you are pulling back and pulling in and practicing self-care and taking time for yourself. So now that I have your attention, you may be thinking, Misty, it really sounds good and you do have my attention. I know I need to practice self-care, but still I don't have the time. So I'm going to share with you this coming Monday, along with my amazing husband, Jim Loretto, ways that you can implement self-care that will take no more than 10 minutes of your day. And I want you to think about that with regard to having time. There's 1,144 minutes in everybody's day. So if you were to just take 10 of those for yourself, that's nothing. But yet the ripple effect that it will have as you begin to pull back and implement these, I would say, tips for self-care are going to pay off in huge, huge dividends. Your stress is going to go down. You're going to find that you're just experiencing more joy, less overwhelm, fatigue, burnout. I mean, all these things that are a result of us not spending time on ourselves. So this Monday, April 29th, Jim and I are going to share with you a free masterclass. One of our very exciting giveaways is this gorgeous water bottle. And I love it because it's a gallon of water. And at the thought of drinking a gallon of water, which is a huge self-care issue, hydrating, you might be thinking, I could not drink a gallon of water in a day. But how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. This is little increments. So it's 7 a.m., good morning, 9 a.m., you've got it. 11 a.m., remember your goal. 1 p.m., that's it. 3 p.m., keep drinking. 5 p.m., no excuses. And 7 p.m., a little bit more. By 9 p.m., you're reading well done, and you've drank a whole gallon of water. What your body does, how it performs when it's hydrated, is crucial to you operating on all 8 cylinders. So this is going to be one of our giveaways for the masterclass. Make sure that you've registered to join us 12 p.m. on Monday. I will drop the link below so that you can register if you haven't yet. And it's going to be 30, 35 minutes at the most. It's going to be super fun. You're going to walk away from that really having a clear idea of ways that you can implement self-care that are fun, that you're looking forward to, and that don't take a lot of time. So I'm so excited to be with you. Jim and I will be there with you, and I will drop the link below. So let us know if you have any questions. Keep writing in with your comments or questions. We love that, so we know what information will be valuable to you. And we can't wait to support you in this way. Okay, bye.